Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and contact Roblox customer support. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, with the Roblox customer support, you'll be able to use their features with helping out the issues that you're having with your Roblox account. Now, to go ahead and access this page, you want to go ahead and open up the Roblox login website right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate down to the bottom of your screen, and from here you want to click on the help section. Now inside help, you can just go ahead and scroll down once more and click on I forgot my password. Inside right here, once again scroll down until you find the still having trouble category, and you want to click on the contact customer support describing your login issue in detail. And right after that, you will now be taken to the Roblox customer support. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.